In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get student discount on Shein. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Shein student discount code. Right here, scroll down a little bit and go to this website which is called voucher codes. And right here, as you can see, we have some promo codes and deals that you can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this one with 15% discount off your order, all you need to do is tap on this button where it says get code. And here is the promo code right here that you can simply copy and you can use this one in order to get a 15% discount. Also, if you go back to your main search right here, we have this website, which is called Groupon. And right here on this website, you also have some deals and promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with 20% discount of Shein coupon code for students, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says get deal. And for this one, there is no coupon code required. You can simply tap on this button where it says shop now, and you will be redirected to the website where the discount will be applied automatically. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.